Hello, hello. Welcome to Top Shelf Reviews. Continuing our spotlight on Washington companies, today we're taking a look at this NeoAir UberLite from Therm-A-Rest coming out of Seattle, Washington. This is the original version. I think I got it in 2019 or 2020, shortly after it first came out. This is the standard 72 long, 20 wide, and has a 2.0 R value. The newer ones do come in some different sizes. They have a regular wide, a little higher R value at 2.3, and have the new wing lock design valve. Pros to this, only 8.8 ounces, so when I was chasing every gram, this was the lightest full-length pad on the market. Warm enough for the summer months, but I found anything under 45 degrees at night, it got kind of cold. And it's only 2.5 inches thick, which, I mean, if you're coming off of a closed cell foam pad, is a big improvement, but if you're a side sleeper and you toss and turn, it's just not quite enough for me. Now that they've got the regular wide with a little better R value, I think it is 12 ounces in weight. This guy here is only 8.8, but I do think that would have been something I may have picked up. But for $230, my rating on this guy is bypass, unless you're somehow a backpacking gram weenie and you only go backpacking in the summer or warm months. I've kind of learned over time to invest in sleep when it comes to the weight that's on your back. So this guy, unless I'm doing like a crazy high mileage overnight or maybe a longer trip where I really do need to kind of count my grams, this guy almost always stays in the bin, and I'll grab my insulated Nemo Tensor, sometimes my NeoAir X Therm, just because it gives me more room. Yes, it is quite a bit heavier, but I actually sleep well at night. This is tolerable. I'm waking up every couple hours, my arms are growing numb, I'm getting chills from underneath, especially when you're using a quilt. So for $230, unless you meet those parameters, my rating is bypass. Love a lot of the other Therm-A-Rest pads, so not saying they're a bad company by any means, but unless you're a gram weenie who hikes in summer months, probably not worth your time. For more information, visit topshelfbackpacking.com, and until I see you again, cheers.